Hello once again, EDP students. In this video, we're going to look at resistor color codes and calculate a couple. In the lecture notes, you would have seen a table that looks something like this. Now, in the one in the lecture, it actually has a third digit, but for this short video, we're only going to look at 4-banded resistors. So what that means is the resistors have 4 colors. Some resistors have 5, and you can use the lecture notes diagram to help you out with that. So let's go and add some resistors, and we'll keep our table here. So we'll go through these fairly quickly, just so that we can quickly calculate them when we're in the lab. So the first one we've got here, we can see that we've got a red band. And if we come down to our table, we can see that the first digit, red, is the number 2. So we can just write number 2 here. The second digit is also red. So this is a 2 also. So we've got 22. Now our multiplier, meaning we're multiplying the first 2 digits, or in the case of a 5-banded resistor, the first 3, by this multiplier. So our third band here is orange. So we're multiplying this by 1000. So what we get then is 22,000, which is the same as 22 kilo ohms. Now we've also got this last band here, which is our tolerance. So if we have a look at our tolerance, we have for brown 1%. So our tolerance is 1% for this resistor. And that's basically its accuracy. Okay, because when the resistors are manufactured, they're not perfect, and so you can get more accurate or less accurate resistors. Let's have a look at the next one. So here we've got orange, orange, red, red. So orange is 3. Orange is 3 once again. We then multiply by 100 because we've got red. And so 33 times 100 gives us 3,300, which is the same as 3.3 kilo ohms. Our tolerance this time is 2% because we've got a red. The next resistor we're looking at is black, grey, black, brown. So if we have a look at this first band, we actually get 0 as our first digit. Our second band gives us 8. We then need to multiply that by 1 because black is 1. And so 8 times 1 just gives us 8 ohms. 8 ohms with a 1%. A 1% tolerance. The next resistor we're looking at, we've got the first band is a 6, the second band is an 8. We're going to multiply that, and we know that the multiplier black is a 1, so we've got 68 times 1, giving us 68 ohms. And our brown tolerance band gives us 1%. So we've got 2 left. Let's have a look at these quickly. So here we've got orange, which is a 3. We've got white, which is a 9. And then we're multiplying it by 1. So we get 39 ohms. And we've got a brown tolerance, so we've got 1%. Look at the last one. So here we've got green, so we've got 5. A blue, so we've got 6. Then we're going to multiply this with brown, which is 10, which gives us 560 ohms. And we've got 2% tolerance. Alright, so you should be able to calculate these fairly quickly in the lab. Try and have this diagram with you. They are up in the lab also. Thank you.